Welcome to beautiful 15966 Parkview Loop in community of Del Sur. Del Sur has a lot to offer for its residents, with award-winning schools, 11 community pools that is accessible for all the residents in Del Sur, plus 18 miles of hiking trails. Also, you're just about a few minutes away from the ocean, and you can enjoy this beautiful community that has restaurants, shopping center, all within walk distance and easy to access. This wonderful property has 3 bedrooms with 2.5 bath, open floor plan, nicely upgraded kitchen and bathroom. It has a lot to offer for its residents.